The key components of Tianying's CNC equipment, such as control systems and motors, are sourced from internationally renowned brands to ensure stable, safe, and reliable operation of the equipment. Tianying's production facility spans an area of 15,000 square meters and is staffed by over 60 experienced production personnel. Our annual output of equipment is about 1,500 units. Precision scraping is the starting point for the basic accuracy of precision equipment. It can eliminate the deviation caused by clamping forces and thermal energy. In terms of CNC equipment, in addition to the composite processing technology, Dongguan Tiying CNC Machine Tools Company Limited has also introduced automated technology for small batch processing and efficient processing, as well as the latest technologies such as direct drive motor and conversational CNC system to increase the diversity and flexibility of production. The assembled equipment needs to be fully tested, and the staff will rigorously test and record the functions of the equipment. The laser interferometer is used for detecting the position accuracy, the repeated positioning accuracy, and the back gap of the lathe. Finally, we will perform long-term automatic running tests on the equipment to ensure the stable performance and processing accuracy.